Detoxification occurs best while asleep because the body starts to rebuild and regenerate its tissues. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the liver, which represents the main detoxification organ, functions optimally between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. Therefore, we need to ensure that proper conditions are present for effective detoxification to occur. One requirement for proper detoxification is that we are sound asleep well before this time. Another requirement is that we have enough blood and bodily fluids for the detoxification process, so the body doesn't become overloaded with harmful substances, which tend to be released as we detox. Proper detoxification can also lead to a healthy metabolism, leading to a lower toxin burden and faster fat burning for those wanting to manage their weight. Let's take a look at 5 drinks to make before bedtime so you can detox your liver and burn fat, all while you're sound asleep. Number 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint leaves are packed with essential oils, such as menthol and menthone, which help perform detox functions and support digestion. Boil water in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. Soak for a while and drink it half an hour before going to bed at night. Number 4. Turmeric tea. Turmeric is a powerful spice that scientists have proved to be more potent than many over-the-counter drugs. One of the best ways to get rid of toxins in our bodies is to drink turmeric tea daily. In a glass of boiling water, add a pinch of turmeric. Stir in honey and enjoy. Number 3. Ginger and lemon tea. This classic detox mix blends ginger with lemon and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that detoxify your body and accelerate the process of weight loss. This popular drink helps relieve bloating, boost metabolism, and prevent illness. In a glass of boiling water, add the juice of half a lemon and a slice of ginger. Soak for 15 minutes, then stir and drink it at bedtime. Number 2. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a powerful antioxidant and has soothing properties that help relieve stress and improve sleep. It also helps in controlling the nervous system that calms the inflamed tissues. In a glass of boiling water, add 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers. Keep it covered for 10 minutes and then drink it. Then, consume it every day for at least 2 weeks to reap its benefits. Number 1. Fenugreek water. Regular consumption of fenugreek water helps in reducing weight and strengthening the digestive system. It supports bowel movements as it is rich in fiber and antioxidants. This easy-to-make detox drink should be consumed an hour before going to bed because it helps flush out toxins from our bodies. Add a teaspoon of fenugreek powder to a glass of boiling water. Let it steep for 15 minutes. Then, strain the water into a cup and drink it 3 times daily. We have come to an end. I hope the video was helpful to you and that from now on, you will drink these drinks for liver detoxification. See you in the following video.